Hi, English friends. How are you doing? Today is Sunday and the first day of August. Time flies, doesn't it? Last night we had the first rain in a long time. It rained quite a lot, and usually it must been very cool when we have a lot of rain, but I don't know why recently, even if we have a lot of rain, it doesn't become cool. It's very strange, isn't it? Well, anyway, it is very good for especially vegetables. Many people grow vegetables uh, in their garden, and at our home too, my wife grow vegetables such as cucumbers and eggplants and others. And watering them is my job. So I have to protect from being attacked by mosquitoes. So I have to wear long pants and a long sleeve shirt. So it is very hot and terrible. But I can enjoy fresh vegetables. So I have to work watering. Well, anyway, it is very good, and this morning it is very cool. So I'm very happy we have the rain. Okay, please enjoy yourself and see you next week. All right, bye bye.